guys, how is everybody doing? Today is Monday. It's another video that we gonna cast off my 100 envelope savings challenge that I'm doing it for low income. So the money that we are doing is kind of low a little, so keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. I'm trying to come back with my regular routine, but it's been a challenging. I have been having a nice time for myself. Mother's Day, birthday, kids' birthdays. It's been a lot of work, a lot of fun. And I have decided that every year I'm going to take a week off for my birthday. It's really fun to have a off days. And I really also appreciate everybody for checking my video out, for subscribing. All my new subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you. My OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. And also, I want to make a house announcement. I'm still having 30% off on my shops. I have the link in the description below, so go check it out. It's after Mother's Day. You can still grab stuff for people, or you can grab stuff for yourself. It's 30%. It's a big deal. Go grab your stuff. And I've been getting a lot of orders as well, so thank you for everybody for ordering from me. So today, let's count the money. Then we will cast out the envelopes. I hope everybody is doing very well. Let's finish counting the money. How is everybody, your finances going? We are almost halfway of the year. How is your finances going? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 80, 90, 100, 105, 110. Let me push it here because I really want to see Simply Blessed. We are. So 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 120, 121, 122, 123. So we're going to put in 123. I'm now in my, I think we are now in our 70s. So super excited. Today we are going to 70. I can't wait to get this done. Yes. So how is your finances going this year? This year, I'm intentionally about my finances. I've been praying about it. Even if I'm not a good steward, I'm still praying about my finances, that God show up in my finances, because it's been crazy. It's been crazy this year. A lot of stuff, a lot of changes, which I can't wait to share with you guys. I can't wait. A lot of responsibilities, a lot of stress, I should say, but for now, everything is coming in line, and I'm just waiting. So I hope you're also taking a look at your finances and how it's helping your family. I have a big family, and I'm the CFO. I declare myself to be the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer for my family. So I really have to take care of my finances very well. Now let's go ahead and grab the book. It's really full, as you can see, but it still can close. See that and see this. Can you see that? Let's open it up and I'll show you. Look at that. So beautiful. I can't wait to count it. I think I'm going to plan a live. And in the live, when we count it, that's what I'm going to do all the giveaway. So I'm hoping to get it done by the end of the month so that we can do the giveaway. If not that, we will do a giveaway, let's say mid-year giveaway, and it's going to be big. Very big. I was thinking of doing giveaway this month, but from the thought of it, I want to do it like the way I did the last one. When we counted it, I gave like 4 big prizes. I think I'm going to do the same. And this time around, I think there will be money involved too. Yes, money involved. It's going to be big. A big giveaway. I'm looking forward to it. people are going to win a lot of prizes. I'm thinking of doing like throughout the giveaway, throughout the life, I'll do the giveaway. So that's what I'm planning to do. Last time, the app that I used, I don't know whether it was great, but somebody was telling me that there's more other app that is very, very nice. So I'm going to talk to one of the YouTubers who do live a lot to see if I can do the other app instead of this one. So today we're gonna do 68, which will be 6 times 8, so that will be 48. Yeah, I can't wait to get this challenge done and count it. Most of the money will be going to my travel. We have a family trip coming up that I have been planning. We are kind of going back and forth. Are we going? Are we not? But we really, really have to do this travel. It's now, and we are this year, me and my husband, thinking forward. We want to do a lot of stuff with the kids. Not that we have the money, but we will plan and do stuff with them. It's something that we are growing, we are getting old. So we really, especially my teenage boy is growing so fast. The time will come, he will be doing his own stuff and he cannot even do stuff with us. So this is the time to do stuff with him and the other kiddos as well. So traveling is one of the things that they like. We've done some in the past that we did a road trip, and they always mention that road. Like anytime we are talking and we ask them, what is the best time that we spend time together as a family? Oh, the road trip to Maryland. They did love it. So we kind of know that what they really like. And at times we take them for like concerts and they love that one too. So we are trying to like do more of those. 6 times 9 is 54. So we are doing 54. Super exciting that I'm getting to my 70s. I'm trying so hard to finish it by the end of the month so that we will do, while we are counting, we will do a big, big, big giveaway. Then 7 times 0 is 0. I don't put anything there, but some people who have been doing this challenge with me will put something here, maybe $7, but I'm not putting anything there for now. All the ones that they are zeros, I'm not putting nothing in there, but people have been putting stuff, so they will have more money than what I will get, but it's okay. Like, you have to do it like the way it will help you. For now, I'm squeezing this in my budget, so I really, really have to make sure I do what works for my family. Okay, so we have 7 times 1, which is 7. Then 7 times 2 is 14. So that'll be the last one. And I'm gonna check something and see. I can't wait to get it done. So that's 14. Then so if next time I try to do the whole one, that's the whole one, Monday. Okay, I think we might finish by the end of the month. From the way I'm looking at it, we might finish it by the end of the month. I was trying to check in my head whether we can finish it by the end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this week I normally do them on Mondays and Wednesdays. So if I'm able to do Monday and Wednesday, we might finish by the end of the month, and that will be great. Then we will do a big giveaway while doing the live, and I'll start making an announcement of it so that everybody will be aware to join. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the coloring here to them. So I did 68, 69, this is 0, 71, 72. Okay. And I'll also do the recording here. And I have 7 and 14. Okay, so this is 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔. Okay, and I also really want to do the math for this one and write it here. Like when you buy my 100 Envelope Savings Challenge, it comes with this tracker already. So 6 plus 12, 18, 24. 6, 22, 28. So we have 263. Okay, can't wait to get it done. Almost there though, almost there. Okay, so this is 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔. Okay, so thanks for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. I will see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.